welcome to my channel. My name is Theresa. If you guys don't know me, what's up? I'll be telling you guys my experience with my at-home keratin treatment. So this is the second keratin treatment that I have done at home, but this is a different brand that I tried. So I wanted to give the GK hair treatment a go. Not that I wasn't happy with the keratin research treatment, but I heard a lot of really good things about the GK hair one, so I really wanted to get it done, and I finally got around to doing it, and I'm so happy that I did. This is what my hair looks like. I just did it a couple days ago. It's definitely, and this is just after I got out of the shower. Like, it literally dried like this. Like, my hair is usually really curly. See, it's still a little bit curly underneath, but it's definitely a lot more straighter than it would be if I would never be able to just get out of the shower and my hair just look like this. It would be like a big frizz ball. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. It's so long. I originally did a video on a keratin treatment that I did. I'll link it below. I used a new product, a new brand, and I'm just going to talk about my experience and talk to you guys about it today, let you know what I used, if I would recommend it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button. Before taking off today, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. I did it like about 3 days ago, so as you can see, it's really long, and I literally just got out of the shower, and this is what it looks like. So it's really long and super healthy. I put these in, these little peekaboos, but one I used it's GK keratin. Yeah, it looks like that. It's called the Best Juvexin treatment, and it is formaldehyde free. That's why what really caught my eye. And I discovered it through watching one of Carly Bible's videos, because as you know, she has really long, beautiful hair, and yeah, and I kind of suffer from the same type of hair. Like, my hair normally is really curly and frizzy, and just mostly really frizzy. The one thing about keratin treatments is they're really not meant, like, they do help loosen your curl, but they're not permanent straightening treatments. They're meant for mostly frizz reduction, and cuts your styling time in half. So it's made out of protein. My first keratin treatment I got was the Keratin Research. So this was this is just their shampoo and conditioner. Looks like that. Keratin Research. That was the first keratin treatment I ever did, and both of these treatments I did by myself. I mean, like, I did them at home. So I bought them both on Amazon. The Keratin Research was the first time I ever got a keratin treatment, and it had formaldehyde in it, and it was really strong, the smell. Like, it was almost unbearable. I really did like the results. It made my hair just, like, usually if I get out of the shower and my hair dries, it's like a poof ball. It's just really frizzy, really curly, knotty, and so I really did like that treatment. It was only $50. I paid $50 Canadian for 4 ounces, and I used pretty much the whole 4 ounces on my hair. So it was really affordable. But like I said, it had formaldehyde in it, and it gave you a headache. So it was horrible. But it didn't last. I found that it came out really quickly, like in a couple months. And I was doing a lot of research, and Global Keratin, or GK Hair, is supposed to be like one of the best brands. And it's definitely a lot more expensive. I paid $300 for this bottle here, but this has 10 ounces. I paid $300 for this one. This is the best. They have a lot of different other ones too. They have like ones for curly hair. They have a whole bunch of different types. So does Keratin Research. Keratin Research, I believe, too, has a formaldehyde-free one called Inverto. But that one, I didn't know about that one when I bought the Fort Plus, I think. It was Fort Plus. I'll put all the information in the description. And yeah, so it doesn't have any formaldehyde, which I really love. And if you're gonna do it at home, I would advise you to get someone to help you, because it's really hard, because you need to section, like you need to part your hair and then paint it on pretty much by like sections like this. And then you gotta blow dry it like this with sections with a round brush. And then you gotta straighten it in the same sections. It definitely is very time consuming, but it's definitely worth it. If you have like really unruly, frizzy, dried, like damaged hair, like it healed my split ends. Like it acts like a shield and like wraps around your hair and protects it from like heat damage and stuff. Like all my, like before I started doing keratin treatments, my hair was so fried, so naughty. Like I was either gonna have to cut it or do like get a keratin treatment, and literally it changed my hair. Like my hair is just starting to grow more and it just feels so much more healthier. So if you have really curly frizzy hair, I highly recommend looking into getting keratin treatment, because it's made my hair grow so much faster and more, and it's just, yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. I film new videos every week, and I always have makeup tutorials, tips and tricks videos. I do a lot of product reviews, definitely a lot of product reviews, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out, and click the little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!